Greetings, folks, and welcome to On Blast with MG. Today we're going to do another quick review on the Garmin Tactix 7 Pro watch, but more specifically, we're going to review the bands. So it's pretty cool, the system they got going on at Garmin for the watch bands. This particular, the Tactix 7 Pro Solar version comes with two bands. So one is just a standard silicone band, which is quite pliable, pretty soft and nice feeling to the touch. And the other one that it comes with is kind of a nylon band. It's pretty hard. Initially, I haven't worn this one, so you could see it's pretty hard. I just kind of hit it on the box here, but it's pretty firm and rough to the touch. But I could tell that this particular band could get pretty pliable, especially with a little bit of wear. So let's talk a little bit about the bands and why I love this particular system that Garmin has. I have not seen this system anywhere else except for Garmin, and I really truly love it. So let's take a look at they all come with the same type of system. So let's look at the system. Let's see if we get a close look at this. This is a latch basically. So it's movable through this little part right here, so you could see this latch once I let's see if we could get a good view here. All right, there you go. So once I move this down, it moves the actual clasp down just like that, and then it latches onto the watch, right onto this little part right here. So the bands are so easily replaceable, and if you look on Amazon, there are tons of colors, tons of different versions. You could do silicone rubber, you could do all kinds of different other things. So you have a lot of different options when it comes to bands with this watch, and the system itself is just so easy to just go on and change it and replace the bands. It's just a matter of undoing the latch and slapping that band onto the watch itself. So let's go ahead and see if we can do that with one hand here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, well, it's gonna be a lot tough for me to do it with just one hand, but you get the point. It's really easy to get on there. You just undo the latch, slap it onto the little bar there, and you're good to go. That's it. All right, hope you enjoy. Subscribe, and please comment below if you have any questions.